Hi guys, we're here in LA for Black Friday shopping. I feel like this is the busiest place in the world, but let's cover our categories for the best Black Friday deals, at least from what I've seen. One notable hack to be on top of all these deals is not using just slickdeals.net, but using a specific URL that you see all the time, slickdeals.net/live. So I'm going to post that link right here. I'm monitoring it every day to see what the newest deals are. So, top deal for me is TVs. You want to aim for Best Buy's $200 for a 58-inch TV. That's probably the number one deal. It's a smart TV 4K. It is not a Samsung or LG brand, so take it with a grain of salt. $200, so you can't beat that. If you can't get that one right now, it's still live. $150 for a 50-inch Westinghouse Best Buy TV as well. That's also Roku and Smart TV. So I ordered actually 3 of those already. I'll link that right below. Get those. I would say those are great for, say, additional rooms. Great for gifts. $200 and below, $150 for a 50-inch TV. You can't go wrong. And if you can't get those, kind of gauge making sure that the deal that you look for TVs on slickdeals.net/live are in that price range. Smart TV, that's 4K, that's around $200 for a 50-inch plus. Okay, so next category is you want to think about your sound bars. A lot of TVs are going to be sold this Black Friday, so the sound bars, the best one I found is the Sonos Beam. Highly rated soundbar, Sonos Beam, for $299. You can get that right now on Amazon. If you like Sonos as a brand, it'll work seamlessly, very good audio quality, and it's about $299. But something even better that I found for me is at Best Buy, they're offering the new Roku Smart Soundbar, and that includes a Roku inside the soundbar as well. It's a 2.0 channel soundbar for about $30 off its price of $180. But if you add the bundle to that, including a 10-inch subwoofer, altogether at Best Buy you can get the subwoofer and Smart TV Roku soundbar for $300. So you get a Roku Smart TV, the soundbar, subwoofer for $300, or the Sonos One Beam for $299. So maybe the soundbar isn't as good as in the Roku package, but for me I'd rather that, and we're going to do an unboxing and review on that as our Black Friday haul. Think about soundbars. Next category is headphones. Airpods Pro just got released, so you're going to see very light discounts on that, but I think Walmart has like $10 off of that if you consider that a deal. But what you should look out for is actually the Galaxy Buds, because they're actually rated similar, if not a little better, and I've seen these go down as low as $70 for a refurbished version. You can pick these up at Costco for about $100, and I'll paste links below if I find a better place that you can get these. $100 for sound canceling Samsung brand earphones that you can use on Apple devices or your Android devices, or even everything that has Bluetooth. I'd say it's a great deal for that versus the AirPods Pro that's over $249 right now. $100 for this, $249, both noise canceling, and these are rated similarly or better. It's a no-brainer to get these Samsung AirPods. Don't forget to pick up memory cards. Memory cards at Costco, I think it's the best one, 128 gigabytes for the fastest writing micro SD, the latest ones if you get your GoPros or anything like that. If you're writing information fast or recording 4K footage, you want very fast footage, things like 360 cameras. Okay, let's move on to iPhones. If you're in the mood for iPhones or phones in general, we'll go over that. iPhones, best deal I found is at Walmart. That's $300 off. I've looked for something that's unlocked, or the best deal, it's $300 off for iPhone 11 Pro. iPhone XS Max is about $450 gift card. Costco has the best deals for that. If you trade in a phone, you get like this one-time credit at T-Mobile for up to $700 off, or you might even have to trade in the phone. So I'll link that below. And Verizon has a good deal on the iPhone as well. I've seen the Pixel 4 go on sale, but that's different. They're giving you a Google Fi credit, so that's good. Samsung has a trade-in program if you want the latest Note 10 phones. Pretty impressive deals for trading in your phone as well if you like to use a Samsung website. So that should cover your ground on phones. iPads and tablets, the Galaxy Tab A, kind of $100 for a powerful tablet. You can get that at Costco. And the iPad latest one, not the iPad Pro, but the iPad is a doorbuster at Target for $249. I would say that's the best deal that I've seen. And then the last two categories are kind of lighter ones, smartwatches. The Apple Watch Series 3, so it's a little 2 generations old, but for 160-ish bucks. Best deal is at Walmart. And the Samsung Active 2 is $30 off, so it's the newest one that just got released. $30 off. It's not that strong a deal, but if you want the Apple Watch, then you have that option as well. Doorbuster at Walmart. Don't forget to do your stocking stuffers, so kind of your smart streaming devices, your Fire Sticks or your Roku TVs. Those are a bunch. Keep checking slickdeals.net/live. But the Amazon smart device is the one that I personally like, is the Echo Show 8. It's pretty massive, has good woofer speakers on it, and it's $80. So if you trade in one of your old Echo devices, you can get a 25% off coupon, and the value of, say, your old Echo, that's going to give you 25 additional bucks. So that should cover it. Alright, so we covered TVs, we covered all those devices, soundbars, smartwatches, iPads. I'm going to link everything below. Look out for those and act fast, because a lot of this, maybe by the time I post this video, might be out of stock. Hope you get your TVs, hope you get all your soundbars, hope you get your smartphones. See you in the next video. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Good luck shopping. Alright, bye guys.